Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install HP Deskjet 3420 printer on a Windows computer. To install this printer on a computer, you will require its a driver. I will show you which driver you will require, where you can download it from, and how to install it. So please come on the screen and follow my steps. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. It will extract all the drivers at the same location into the folder. So please open up the extracted folder and you will get a autorun.inf file. You have to use that file when we install it manually. So remember that location and close it for now. We will use it later, so please close it. And now the second step is disable the driver signature enforcement option. I will show you how to do it, so please follow my steps. Click on start menu and then click on settings, then click on update and securities, and then after that click on recovery and choose the last option, advanced startup, and click on restart now. It will restart with the advanced options. Here you need to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced and then click on startup settings and click on restart. After restart, you will get a startup settings page. In this page, you will have to select the seventh option, disable the driver signature enforcement option. To select that, you will have to press the F7 key, the function 7 key, to continue. After restart the computer, the driver signatures enforcement option is disabled. So it's time to start install the printer manually. So please click on start button and click on settings. And then click on devices. After that, click on printer and scanner from the left side pane and click on plus icon. Install add a printer. After that, you will get an option, the printer that I want is not listed. Click on that. You will get a pop-up, the installation wizard. Choose the last option, add a local printer, and then click on next. Here you need to choose the printer port, the port where your printer is connected right now. I suggest you to choose a USB 001. If you have many printers, then you can choose USB 002 or 003. After that, click on next. Click on have disk. Click on browse and go to the location where we have extracted the driver files. Go to the desktop and open that folder and select the autorun.inf and click on open. Click on OK. Select the second option, HP Deskjet 3420 series printer, and then click on next. Click on next again. It is installing the drivers, so please wait. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on next. After that, click on finish. The printer has been installed successfully. Go to the printers page. As you can see, The printer HP Deskjet 3420 series printer has been installed successfully. So, this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts on this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.